In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your region on Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open Gmail in my browser. Once the page loads, I'm on my inbox and I can see all my emails, the folders on the left, and the usual Gmail layout. From here, we're going to go into the account settings so we can check the region or home address that's associated with the account. The next thing I'm going to do is move up to the top right corner of the screen where my profile picture is. I'm clicking on the profile pic and a small menu drops down with account options. This menu shows basic info about the account and gives quick access to Google account settings. From this menu, I'm going to click on Manage Your Google Account. Once I click that, a new page opens, which is the main dashboard for managing all aspects of the Google account, including security, personal info, and privacy settings. Now that the Google account dashboard is open, I'm going to look at the menu on the left hand side and click on Personal Info. This section is where Google stores information like your name, date of birth, contact info, and also location details. Once I click Personal Info, the page updates and shows all the personal details linked to the account. I'm scrolling down a little bit until I see the section labelled Home Address. This is where the account stores your current region or location for services and personalization. At this point, I can click on Home Address to view the information. Once I click it, it shows the address details that Google has on file, which includes the region. This is the information used across Google services to personalize things like recommendations, local settings, and billing info, and that's really all there is to it. So just to recap, while everything is still on the screen, we opened Gmail, clicked on the profile picture, selected Manage Your Google Account, then clicked on Personal Info, and finally clicked on Home Address to see the region associated with the account. Once that's done, you can view the saved region or address anytime by returning to this same section. It's a quick and easy way to check your account settings without having to dig through multiple menus. And that's it, that's how you check your region on Gmail through your Google account.